गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन अंदर આપણે टाइप 2 स्ट्राटिफाइड रेन्डम सेम्पलिंग स्टार्ट करेलो तो एना बे सम कैलक्युलेट करेला था। नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 3, a population is divided into two strata having number of unit 15 and 10. So population, that means capital N 15, capital N2 10. From random sample drawn from the strata. Sample observation of first stratum 11, 23, 14 and 16. Second stratum 20, 12, 8. Find stratified sample mean. Stratified sample mean y bar st. Now first of all we have to find out mean of each strata. So for first strata, small y bar is equal to sigma y bar 1 is equal to sigma y bar 1 upon n1. 11, 23, 14, 16 divided by 4. 11, 23, 14, 16, 64 by 4, 16. For second strata, y bar 2 is equal to sigma small y bar sigma y bar 2 upon n2. So 20 plus 12 plus 8 divided by 3. 20 plus 12 plus 8 divided by 3, 13.33. Now y bar st, capital N1 small y bar 1 plus capital N2 small y bar 2 upon N1 plus N2. Capital N1 15, small y bar 1 16, capital N2 10, small y bar 13.33. 15 plus 10, 15 multiplied by 16, 240, 16 multiplied by 10, 10 multiplied by 13.33, 130.33 divided by 25. 14.93 y bar st. This is your answer, 14.93. Next example number 4. 6 observation of population are divided into two strata. Observation of first stratum are 7, 3, 5 and second stratum are 1, 2, 9. For stratified random sample, 2 observations are drawn from each stratum. 2 observations are drawn from each stratum. Find variance of stratified random sample mean. We have to find out V of y bar st. For first strata, this is population, so capital Y 1 is equal to 7, 3, 5. For second strata, Y2 1, 2, 9. Total sigma Y1 7 plus 3 plus 5, 15. Second matter 1 plus 2 plus 9, 12. Now capital Y bar 1 sigma Y1 upon N1, 15 divided by 3, that is 5. Y bar 1 5. Y1 minus y bar 1 5, 7 minus 5 minus 2, 3 minus 5, 2, 5 minus 5, 0, total 0. Sigma y1 minus y bar 1. y1 minus y bar 1 નો સ્ક્વેર 4, 4, 0, total 8. Sigma y1 minus y bar 1 એનો સ્ક્વેર. Same way y2 minus y bar 2. y bar 2 sigma y2 upon n2. 12 divided by 3, 4. y bar 2, 4. This is 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 9 minus 4, 5. Total 0. y2 minus y bar 2 નો સ્ક્વેર 9, 4, 25. Total sigma y2 minus y bar 2 નો સ્ક્વેર 9 plus 4 plus 25, 38. S1 square sigma y2 minus y1 minus y bar 1 square divided by capital N1 minus 1. 8 divided by 2, 4. S1 square 4. S2 square sigma y2 minus y bar 2 square upon N2 minus 1. 38 by 2, 19. S square 19. V of y bar st 1 upon n square divided by n1, n1 minus n1, s1 square upon n1 plus n2, n2 minus n2 upon n2, s2 square. 1 upon 3 plus 3, that is 6, no square. 3, 3 minus 2, 4 divided by 2. 3, 3 minus 2, 19 divided by 2. 1 upon 36. 3 multiplied by 1 by 4 divided by 2. 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 19 divided by 2. 1 upon 36. 4 multiplied by 3, 12 divided by 2, 6. 3 multiplied by 19 divided by 2, 28.5 plus 6. 34.5 divided by 36, 0.96. V of y bar st 0.96. This is your answer. Next, example number 5. Among the students of one division of TY BCom, there are 15 girls and 45 boys. A stratified random sample is taken by taking 3 girls and 5 boys at random. In this sample survey, weight of 3 girls are obtained 42, 45 and 48 kg, while weight of 5 boys are obtained 44, 50, 58, 52 and 48 kg. Find stratified random sample mean, that is y bar st. First strata, y bar 1 is equal to sigma y1 upon n1. 42 plus 45 plus 48 divided by 3. 45. Second strata, y bar 2 sigma y2 upon n2. 44, 50, 58, 52, 48 by 5. 44, 50, 58, 52, 48 divided by 5. that is 50.4. Y bar st n1 small y bar 1 n2 small y bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. There are total 15 girls. So capital N1 15 multiplied by y bar 45. There are total 45 boys. So 45, 50 multiplied by 4 divided by 15 plus 45. 15 multiplied by 45, 675. 45 multiplied by 50.4, 2268 divided by 60 plus 675, 2943 divided by 60, 49.05. Y bar st. This is your answer, 49.05. Next, example number 6. A population of 400 units is divided into two strata with 600 and 800 units. 10% sample random is taken from each stratum. Stratum variance are 200 and 400 respectively. Find variance of stratified sample mean. So we have to find out V of y bar st. Now capital N is equal to 1400, capital N1 is equal to 600, capital N2 is equal to 800, small n, small n1, 10% sample are taken from each stratum. So capital N 600 and a 10%, 60. Same way small n2 800 na 10%, that is 80. Variance of startups S1 200, S2 400. V of y bar st 1 upon n square, n1 minus n1 s1 square upon n1 plus n2 minus n2 s2 square upon n2. 1 upon 1400 square, n1 600 minus 60 multiplied by 200 divided by 60 plus 800 minus 80 multiplied by 400 divided by 80. 10 1 upon 196 4 times 0. 10 multiplied by 540 multiplied by 200 plus 10 multiplied by 720 multiplied by 400. 1 upon 196 4 times 0. 10 multiplied by 540 plus 200. 1080 10 multiplied by 720 multiplied by 400. 2080 plus 2880 plus 1080 3960 upon 196 4 times 0 divided by 196 4 times 0. 2.02 V of y bar st. This is your answer, 2.02. Next example, example number 7. A population of 100 observation is divided into two strata with sizes capital N1 40, capital N2 60. If sigma y1 minus y bar 1 square 585, sigma y2 minus y bar 2 square 1180, n1 is equal to 4, small n2 is equal to 6, then find V of y bar st. First of all, we have to find out variance. S1 square is equal to sigma y1 minus y bar 1 square divided by n1 minus 1. 585 divided by 40 minus 1. 585 divided by 39. 585 divided by 39, 15. S2 square sigma y2 minus y bar 2 square divided by n2 minus 1. 1180 divided by n2 60 minus 1. 1180 divided by 59. 20. Now n1, n2, small n1, n2, s1 square, s2 square. S1 square 15, S2 square 20. N1, N2, small n1 4, small n2 6. Capital N1 40, capital N2 60. V of y bar st is equal to 1 upon n square, n1, n1 minus small n1, s1 square divided by small n1, capital N2, n2 minus small n2, s2 square divided by n2. 1 upon n square, that is 100 square. N means 40 plus 60, 100. N1 40, 40 minus 4, 50 divided by 4 plus 60, 60 minus 6, 20 divided by 6. 10, 6 tens are 60. 1 upon 10,000, 10 multiplied by 36 multiplied by 15 plus 10 multiplied by 54 multiplied by 20. 1 upon 10,000, 10 plus 36 plus 15, 10 multiplied by 36 multiplied by 15, 450. 10 multiplied by 54 multiplied by 20, 1080. 10 multiplied by 54 multiplied by 20, 108800. 10 multiplied by 36 multiplied by 15, 5400. Plus 10800, that is 16,200. 16,200 divided by 10,000. So 1.62. V of y bar st 1.62. This is your answer. Here our session is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.